मुंबई के गोरेगांव पूर्व चिन्मय मिशन की तरफ से बाल विहार द्वारा प्रोजेक्ट सारथी के माध्यम से घर घर में गीता कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया। इस बाल विहार गोरेगांव में 150 से ज्यादा बच्चों का समावेश है, जिसमें 20 बच्चों ने आसपास के 100 से ज्यादा घरों में जाकर भगवत गीता के दूसरे अध्याय का पठन किया। गीता पाठ, उसका सारांश और गीता आरती से उन्होंने भगवत गीता के बारे में लोगों को बताया। बच्चे कई सालों से गीता का पाठ कर रहे हैं। हर रविवार लगभग 150 बच्चे भगवत गीता की पढ़ाई करते हैं। शिक्षक रवि नारायण और पद्मावती रवि द्वारा बच्चों को गीता की शिक्षा दी जाती है। मोक्षदा हरदास और मिहिर हरदास कई सालों से बच्चों के लिए चिन्मय मिशन द्वारा गीता के पाठ और अन्य कई उपक्रमों में सहयोग कर रहे हैं। इन 150 बच्चों के परिजन भी गीता के पाठ में बच्चों का सहयोग करते हैं और साथ ही गीता का पाठ भी करते हैं। घर घर में गीता का बच्चों द्वारा चलाया गया यह पहला उपक्रम है।
We as parents feel very fortunate and very glad that we were able to facilitate this project. This has been completely driven by children, by our Bal Vihar students.
And the whole idea was now these children are going to be global citizens. So in whichever part of the world they travel tomorrow, they have to be proud of their cultural heritage and they should be the ambassadors of the lofty culture that they have. So this was our attempt to introduce them to this culture. And when you actually go visit houses, when you come for the classes and learn the Bhagavad Gita, actually you're doing it just because your parents have told you. But when you actually take it forward to other houses, children understood what is the importance, what kind of appreciation they are getting, and I think they have understood what they are really doing. So this was the idea behind this project Sarthi.
ओम पार्थाय प्रतिबोधितां भगवतां नारायणेन स्वयं व्यासेन ग्रथितां पुराणमुनिना मध्ये महाभारतम्. This is the introduction to the Bhagavad Gita, where it says that the Lord himself has given us this nectar like Bhagavad Gita, and Arjuna is his disciple, and this is being given by the Lord himself to Arjuna. And this our children have carried over as the Project Sarthi, and they are going house to house and giving these teachings of the Bhagavad Gita, sharing with all the families. And we are very proud to share that 20 children were identified and they have visited 100 homes and they have successfully completed this assignment. Thank you all. Hari Om.
With this project, children are chanting these shlokas daily, and with that they are cleansing themselves. So in that their action and thoughts, everything is totally changed and it's towards bhakti. So thank you to Chinmaya Mission.
Hari Om. So through this project that our children have driven, we as parents have also become a part of this very, very auspicious and great movement of taking Bhagavad Gita to all the households. And I feel Bhagavad Gita is a one-stop solution for all our problems. So tomorrow when our kids go out in the world and they face their life problems, they have this wonderful experience to look back to and understand how to live their lives fruitfully and successfully. So I'm very grateful to Chinmaya Mission and Bal Vihar Goregaon and Ravi Narayan sir and everybody to initiate this project, which we have been fortunate enough to be part of. Thank you.
It was a wonderful experience, not only for the kids but also for us as a parent, because choosing the families, talking to them and then training the kids for the entire experience was wonderful. And of course it has helped him, I would say, for a public speaking platform that he can confidently go and talk anywhere now. So it was a wonderful experience. Thank you.
प्रोजेक्ट सारथी जो घर घर में गीता है, तो आज मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि घर घर में गीता और जितने भी घर में लोग हैं तो उनके हृदय तक ये गीता पहुंचनी चाहिए। ये हमारा मिशन था, ये हमारा मोटो था। तो ये हमें प्रोजेक्ट काफ़ी हद तक बहुत आगे लेकर हम लोग चले गए। तो मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील हो रहा है हमारे बच्चों पे, पेरेंट्स पे और हमारे गुरुजी जिन्होंने हमें ये सिखाया। Thank you.
We explained the families about the project Sarthi, and they were really very excited for us to come to their house and chant Bhagavad Gita.
Before going for house, we were also excited to go to their house, which I made appointments of our friends.
For preparing for this project, I practiced the shlokas and I sent the recording to our Guruji Ravi sir so that he could give his valuable inputs. And then with the help of my parents, I visited the families of our family and friends, and it was an amazing experience.
I learned the verses from Ravi sir, then I practiced it a lot at my home. And then I started with the houses.
They reacted very positively. I felt very awkward when when one of the family members
got emotional and touched my feet, since me as a Kanya went to their house and chanted Bhagavad Gita. Each of one appreciated the idea of the project Sarathi, and that was the reaction of the people.
The people reaction, they all were surprised to hear me chant Bhagavad Gita, and they all hugged me and kissed me and gave lots of blessings to me. The ladies invited me at their houses to chant Bhagavad Gita.
So at first I was feeling extremely shy about how they would react, but surprisingly enough they were extremely happy with this. They said that they would love to have Gita chanting at their home many more times, and they praised my pronunciation and how fluently I chanted the Gita.
Before this project, whenever I would whenever I would go to my grandmother's house, she would chant the Gita for me. But this time when I went to her house, I chanted the Gita for her, and she was extremely happy that I was also chanting the Gita and praising the Lord like her.
There was once a special incident when I was about to chant the shlokas, but then my friend's grandmother stopped me and she took out her Bhagavad Gita book, which was written in Gujarati, and she started chanting with me. So I really loved her enthusiasm.
During the house visit, everyone was appreciating me. One of the family gave me the religious book of Swami Narayan, and I am glad to be a Gita Doot.
Interesting thing I found is that the family where I visited were also joined by their neighbors. Each and every person, including children, were engrossed while I chanted the shlokas.
So I went to my close friend's house, and her grandfather was very inquisitive about how did I chant these shlokas, and he was very shocked. So that boosted up my confidence, and also he was curious that today's children are imbibing the Bhagavad Gita at the modern world.
Initially I thought that it would be very difficult, but as I proceeded I observed that people were really enjoying and appreciating me, so this helped me boost my confidence, and then it felt very easy.
At first I thought it would be tough, but when I visited my first house and chanted the shlokas, my inner power and self-confidence made it very easy for me to execute this project. Initially, I was a little worried about this project because I was guided very well by Ravi sir and Moksada aunty. But when I went to the houses, they were really happy with my Gita chanting project, so it was very easy to execute this project. Hari Om.
When I heard about this project, I thought it's gonna be difficult, but for me it was a smooth and amazing experience. Everyone was delighted and happy listening me chanting Bhagavad Gita.
So before we started our first few houses, we were uncertain about the people's response. But after we completed them, we found out that people are very curious towards the Bhagavad Gita. Hence, I would like to take them to more houses. First, when I went to the houses, I was a bit nervous, but then the positive feedback of the people gave me motivation, and hence this project Sarathi has made me the ambassador of the Bhagavad Gita.
First, I came from Dubai, so I barely knew any houses. But as I went for the first house, I got more vibes and good aroma, and I had confidence to do to more houses, and people started inviting me, and I got more houses to do.
Yes, before the project I was not so confident, but after 2 to 3 houses I became more confident, and I could understand people's enthusiasm with Bhagavad Gita.